This episode is going to be a bit of an aside because I'm probably going to start using Visual Studio. Victor mentioned that, and I just wanted to show a little bit more of how normally I would do coding, and it increases productivity. Um, I like to have the terminal, which on your Mac is a command line for interface with your operating system. And I'm just going to change directory into my documents file. And I'm going to make a directory for this JavaScript class. We'll say just JavaScript. And then I'm seeing the files that I have in there. ls lists the files, and I'm just going to move all of those test files into the JavaScript directory. And you see that move te asterisk is anything that starts with a T and an E, and I move it into that JavaScript directory, and now they're not here. I go into the JavaScript directory. You don't have to, you're probably not going to be doing this right away if you're one of the new people, but you're going to see me do it, so I just want to explain it a little bit. I'm in the JavaScript directory here. Now, when I do code dot, it opens VS Code into that directory. Normally I have this window open quite large on the screen, but I think that's making for very large files here. And now, like when I look at that test HTML file, it's in here, which is text editor, IDE, developer environment, development environment, and it's much easier to edit the code in here. There are a bunch of tools. There's highlighting. It came with highlighting for JavaScript, so it makes it easier to read that. And of course, you could set the way it looks a little bit, and I have kind of shortcuts set up so that I can very quickly copy lines or things like that, or jump to something that I want to find and find all the things. If I search for title, I can search for that. Anyway, you'll see this in the next episode, so just wanted to introduce it. Thank you, and see you next time.